Hi and welcome to a Renderpeople tutorial. In this video I will show you how to quickly enhance your already finished renders with our 3D people models in Adobe Photoshop CC. First, open your rendered image and one of our models in Adobe Photoshop. To load the model, simply select the PSD or OBJ file and open it. The PSD file comes with all needed textures already applied to the model. If you're using the OBJ file, you need to replace the diffuse texture with the diffuse map included in our package. Under the Layer tab, duplicate and export the layer which contains the 3D model into your finished render. After copying the model into your scene, it's important to define the horizon of your rendered image by simply crossing the flush lines of your image. I prefer to create a guideline at the same height. With the camera's rotation, movement and scaling tool, you can match the horizon of the new 3D model until it fits the scene's scale and perspective. After the perspective and placement looks good, it's time to adjust the lighting a little bit to match the lighting of your rendered scene. The environment settings under the 3D tab contain a lot of options to adjust the global lighting, shadows and reflections. It's very important to match the surface behavior as close as possible. For even better lighting, I used the same base image as an image-based light source to emit some of the scene's colors and lights onto the model. Your goal is to reproduce the lighting of your rendered image with all the highlights and all small details. When you're happy with the lighting and you want to add even more models, duplicate and replace your first model with any model you would like to add to your scene. You can also adjust the exact position of the new model in the Coordinates tab. When everything is in place, check the materials and make final adjustments to your lighting and environment until you are happy with the preview. Then, select the area you want to render with the selection tool and press Render. After your model is rendered, switch to the layer view and adjust the new 3D layer any way you like. Adjusting the levels, contrast and saturation will improve the overall look and the new rendered model. Also, adding small details like ambient occlusion and additional shadows will improve the overall realism of your scene. When you're happy with the result, save your image and you're done! Thank you for watching our small tutorial on how to use Renderpeople models with Photoshop CC.